Welcome to TinkerSpace. Now let's make automatic calling bell. Here we use IR proximity sensor as input and its function is to detect humans. Here we use buzzer as output and its function is to alert the person inside home. This is TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here are the connecting wires and a battery. Now let's do the connection. We have connected the IR proximity sensor to the input 1 and a buzzer to the output 1 of the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Now connection is over. Let's do the coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Here, choose a Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here, I added IR proximity sensor as input 1. In output 1, I added buzzer. Now go to the menu and click on Save. Now the generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to CodeSpace. The CodeSpace has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. First input only, click on Select this condition. In the input 1 sensor off in buzzer, I will select on or off A and the tone will be 0%. Now click on Save. In the input 1 sensor on in the buzzer, I will select tone D, beep warning. Now click on Save Settings. And I will add some delay in the input 1 sensor on. Around 3 seconds of delay I will add. Now click on Save Settings. Now, in the automatic calling bell project, we have kept IR proximity sensor at the door and the buzzer inside the house. Now, in the input 1 sensor off, means the IR proximity sensor is not detecting any presence of a person. And input 1 sensor on means the IR proximity sensor is detecting a presence of a person. When the IR proximity sensor is not detecting anything, the buzzer will turn off. So we kept in 0%. And in input 1 sensor on means the IR proximity sensor is detecting a presence of a person and we need to alert the household people that there is a person outside of the door. So we kept tone D for this to alert the people inside that there is a person outside of the door. Now we kept delay, around 3 seconds of delay we kept, that IR proximity sensor detects continuously for the smooth function and the tone has to be added in 3 seconds. So we kept it in 3 seconds of delay I added. So this is how the automatic calling bell project's coding functions. After the coding, click on Save Code. Now the generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on Search My Device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on upload code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Coding is done. Now let's test the project. We have tested our project. Now let's implement in our model. Here we have completed the model work of our project. Here we have connected eye proximity sensor near the door and a buzzer inside the house. Now let's do the demonstration.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.